Okay, so do you wish to say anything to the mothers like you and me, and who really wanted to have the financial stability for a family, but not without losing ourselves in the whole journey of motherhood and also our financial needs?
Yeah, I want to say to every mom, you are very special. You are something which God wants you to be. And then your kids are very special too. Give time to your children. Your presence matters most. We do have many years in our life till retirement to work and work and work. And the same we are doing at home, work and work and work. But give your time to your children because they deserve it. They need you. And this is important to understand. This is my small message to all the moms.
And I think and our children deserving us is definitely there, but more than and that we deserve ourselves, right? We deserve
This is
our
an
sometime free and
yeah,
some passions for us to take care. And
yeah. This is right, Ashwarya. But I I have seen myself as a mom. Even when I am getting time for myself, still there are things in my mind. What can I do for my kids first? Isn't it? So yeah, when I finish with those things, then the things coming into my mind. Oh, okay, now I need time for myself. So yeah, this is true. You need time for yourself because if you are healthy, if you are active, if you are mentally healthy and physically, then you will give a good life or good things to your children which is in yourself. So this is
yeah,
important to take care of yourself and then to your family.
yeah, that's true. That's true. Thank you so much, Sabha. It was so nice talking with you today. Thank you all for listening to us today. And if you have any queries, if you are interested to join our business, and you can either contact me or Sabah. And we are more than happy to help you grow
Yeah,
together.